Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different weight gain recipes for toddlers, breakfast, lunch and dinner. And you're going to be seeing Anjali helping me with that. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Let's get started. So for our first meal, that is breakfast, we are going to be making a very healthy and yummy pasta recipe.
Let's make breakfast. Hot cheetah.
All done. So we're going to keep some water for boiling.
No touching.
Okay. For it to boil, okay?
Okay.
Okay, while we wait, shall we sing a song?
Yeah.
Okay, can you sing a rhyme for me?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S T V W X
Why?
Y Z. No man, A B C D. It's a monster.
Yay, good job. Thank you.
No.
Did the water boil?
Yeah.
No, not yet. It's very hot. Anjali, can you hear the sound of the water boiling?
Yeah.
How does it boil? Let's hear. Okay. Now we're going to put the pasta inside, okay? Can you give me the pasta?
Yeah.
Amma will pour it inside, okay? No, it's very hot. Can you give it in my hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P.
Thank you. Can I pour it?
Yeah. Pasta? Yeah.
Pasta is done.
Easy pasta.
Huh?
Easy pasta.
Eat pasta. അതല്ലേ നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം അവിടെ. We are making it. Anjali is helping me make it. Now let it boil, okay? Okay. Now what are we going to do? It's raining.
Weather അവിടെ സൂവിന്റെ
Yeah.
സാക്ഷിയാണ്.
Okay, what's the weather today?
Rainy.
Rainy.
അത് was weather ചുക്കുമ്പോ നോക്കണ.
Okay, sometimes it will be rainy, sometimes it will be
Funny.
sunny. Yeah.
And
Sometimes it will be cloudy.
sunny. Rainy.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Done ആയോ നോക്കട്ടെ? Okay. Yeah, I'm soft ആയോ നോക്കാം. Hey, soft. Happy? Anjali, shall we make the pasta sauce?
Huh?
Shall we make the pasta sauce now? Shall we make it?
Yeah, to make it.
Okay, let's make it. Give me the pan. Thank you.
Welcome.
Anjali, can you give me the butter?
Huh?
Butter.
Butter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, give it to me. Thank you. Okay.
See it? Butter, let me see it. Big butter. Butter.
Okay, can you help me cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold. Yay! Thank you. Madi, only one piece. One piece is enough. Okay. Thank you. Can you close the butter?
Yeah.
Close. Now let's add some tomato puree and spinach puree to this butter and give it a nice roast. Cutting some corn and she loves it, so it's already boiled and now I'm cutting it. And she's cooking. Yay!
I'm a cook. I'm a cook.
അമ്മയ്ക്ക് പാസ്ത വേണം കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ. Then mix it all really well and adding 2 small slices of cheese here. I don't have shredded cheese with me today, so I'm adding these and I'll just let it melt and blend along with this whole pasta. So it is a really good recipe that you can try if you have a picky toddler. I'm sure they would love it. It really has a very nice taste to it, and I guess Anjali is ready to try it out.
Hot enough.
Nice. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for helping me. Preparing the lunch, we have some atta and then some fresh chopped cilantro leaves, and then this is some salt, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste and amchur powder, and some white sesame seeds, crushed flaxseed powder, and this is cooked moong dal. And then now we are ready to mix up everything and form a dough, and you don't need to add any water in here because of this moong dal that we are adding. And also this is, I would say, a must try recipe, especially for toddlers, wherein it's difficult to get them to eat the curry that we usually give. So since moong dal is a part of the roti itself, it is a 2-in-1 combination, and I really hope you try this recipe out. Wait.
Okay.
You ready to roll the chapati?
Yeah. What shapes it?
Just press it. Hot chapati? Yay! I'm at there. Thank you, Anjali.
Thanks.
എവിടെ ചപ്പാത്തി എവിടെ പോയി? എവിടെ പോയി? സ്റ്റിക്ക് ചെയ്താ? ആണോ? ഡേർട്ടി ചെയ്യോ? വാഷ് ചെയ്യാം നമുക്ക് കേട്ടോ. വാഷ് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? I'll apply some ghee on top of it and then I'll serve it to her. And one more thing that I like to serve to sneak in some extra calories is a dip that I make. And for that I take a tablespoon of peanut butter and melt it slightly by heating a few seconds in the microwave. and add a tablespoon of Greek yogurt to it, and then mix it really well. And this is something that my kids like to eat, and so I'm giving this to her as a dip for her moong dal paratha.
I went down to Nashville, a guitar in the back. I was gonna make it big, make money by the sack. Coming out of Tulsa, a waitress in a bank, a record label man came knocking one day with a paper in his hand, and he said, "Get while the getting is good."
Let's make dinner now, and so I'm taking this foxtail millet, which is great to add fiber to a kid's meal, and this is also rich in iron and copper, so it's great to build immunity in kids. So I'm taking 1/4 cup of foxtail millet, a 1/4 cup of rice, and a tablespoon of black urad dal. We'll soak all of that in water for a few hours, and then I'm ready to grind it in the blender using little water. Add salt to the batter and let it rest for a few minutes, and then I'm heating up the tawa and I'm ready to make the dosas out of it. And this is a protein rich dish, and I'm topping it with grated carrots while I make the dosa. The toppings can be as per your kids' choice, and it's left to your imagination as to what you would like them to eat. And all-in-one recipes like these are easy for kids to eat, and it relieves us from the stress of feeding them healthy. And add a little bit of ghee to make it tasty, and then give it to your little one. Anjali loves plum tomatoes, and so that is also a part of her meal today. And that is the final meal idea for today. I hope you liked these recipes, and if you found it useful, please don't forget to give a like and share it with other parents who might find it useful as well. And I will see you all later with a different video. Until then, take care and bye bye.